In this video, we look at how to present and dismiss a view using the sheet modifier in SwiftUI. So let's get started. The sheet modifier in SwiftUI is used to present a view on top of another view or to dismiss a view from the top of another view, as you see in this video. The share and the trash icons in this project are presented using the sheet modifier. You can see over here, I have a list of actions that need to be performed when the user taps on the trash icon. When you tap on the trash icon, we are presented with this sheet, and as we drag down, you can see there is this animation which has a parallax effect. When I drag the view to a certain position and release the mouse, you can see it bounce back. When the drag position is too large, then we dismiss the view with this animation. The same thing happens with the share view. Let's go to the share view. You can see over here we have a list containing some actions the user needs to perform. The list is also presented using the sheet modifier. Let's go to content view. In content view, you can see over here we have the share icon and also the trash icon. The sheet modifier is attached to the share icon so that when the user taps on the share icon, we present the list with the sheet. Also, when we come to the trash icon, we attach the sheet to the trash icon so that when the user taps on the trash icon, we present the list of actions with the sheet. If you try to drag the sheet down, you can see the view underneath tries to reveal itself. When the drag position is small, the sheet bounces back. When the drag position is large, then we just dismiss it. So this is how to use the sheet to present and dismiss content in SwiftUI. Thanks for watching.